Hey there guys, in this short video tutorial, I will show you how to duplicate a page using the duplicate post plugin and how to create a page template using the Templatera plugin. Hey there guys, in this quick tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to create duplicates of any page or post on your website installation, and then also how to create templates using Templatera plugin of any of your pages or posts, so then you can go ahead and reuse those on different pages. We're going to be utilizing two different plugins today. The first off is duplicate post, and then the other one, like I said, is that Templatera plugin. If I go over here onto the left and click on plugins, you're going to see that I've installed the duplicate post plugin right here, and then as I scroll down, you're going to see that I also have the Templatera plugin installed as well. First off, we're going to talk about the duplicate posts. So I'm going to go over here in pages, and this is going to give me a list of all the pages that are currently installed on my installation here of WordPress. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over home demo. So this is a page on my website, and what you're going to see here is this little clone button. So this is that duplicate post plugin installed on here, and it's going to give you the option to clone this page. There's two different places you can clone the page, and one of them is right here. So if I was to go ahead and click on clone, that's going to make a duplicate of that entire home demo page, which you're going to see right here, and now it's going to be in draft mode. So what I can do is I can go over here and click on this. It's going to bring up the editor for that page, and I can go ahead and save this as a different page under a different name. So we're just going to add a 2 on there, and then when I go ahead and click on publish, now I have a complete duplicate of that entire page. If I was to go ahead and view that page here in the browser, we'll see what it looks like. So it's basically a duplicate of this entire home page that I just created. And now I'm able to go back into here and edit this and remove rows and make edits to this and then create a new page based off of that one. So basically this is really handy if you have a page that has some certain rows in there. For example, this training programs row that you want to reuse on another page, you can basically duplicate this entire page, go in here, for example, delete out this entire header row, go ahead and update that. Now if I go back and I refresh this, I have that entire page already minus that hero header section up there. So that is a great little plugin to install on your WordPress installation, so then you can duplicate all of your pages. Another way you can actually create a clone of the page is over here on the right. You'll also see copy to a new draft. This is basically doing the same thing that clone button did back on the page listing page. So if you wanted to create another duplicate of this page, you can also click on copy to a new draft here. When you copy that, it's actually going to load up that page into a new copy. So now you've just created another copy of that, and then you can go ahead and rename this one Home Demo 3, and then go ahead and click on publish. So now when we go back to view all your pages here, you're going to see that we have the original home demo, then we have the home demo 2, and then we have home demo 3, which are all duplicates of that same page. So that's how you use the duplicate post plugin. The next one I want to talk about is Templatera, and this is an add-on for the WP Bakery plugin. So basically what you can do on this one, if I go back to home demo 2, and for example, if I wanted to make a template out of this training programs row, the one that we were looking at right up here, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to remove all the other rows on this page. So I'm just going to delete all these extra rows. So now the only thing that's on this page is this training programs. So go ahead and click update. Now when I go back to this page and refresh the browser, this is the only row that's on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a template of this row using the Templatera plugin. And then what I can do is I can add this to any other page on the website. And since it's a template, I can go back into the template, make any edits to this, and then wherever this row has been added on any of the pages on my website, it's automatically going to be updated on all those pages. This is especially handy for a footer. For example, if you have a footer or a contact form on the bottom of every single page, you can create a template of it, and then if you have to go in and make any changes to that, it's then going to apply those changes across all the pages that have that template on it on your website. So going back in here, all I have to do if I want to create a template is go up here in the upper right, click on this little icon right here, go ahead and name this template. I'm going to name this training programs, and then save that template. So what I've done now is I've created a template of that row. Now if I go over here on the left under WP Bakery Page Builder, then go to templates, you're going to see that I have a new template in here called training programs. So for example, if I went back to pages here, created a new page, I'm going to title this template example. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that template row in here by clicking on the backend editor for WP Bakery Page Builder, adding an element, and then scrolling down here through the modules, and I'm looking for the Templatera module, which is right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to ask me which template I want to add. I want to add the training programs one. Go ahead and click on Save Changes. And now what that has done is it's added that in here into this page. So if I was to go ahead and click on publish, I've now created a page with that template row in there. If I was to view this page, you're going to see that I now have this training programs right up here. Now what I have to do is if I want to actually edit that template, I can go back over here to WP Bakery Page Builder, click on templates, and then if I want to edit that, I can go into here, this training programs, and any edits that I make under here are then going to be applied to this new page that I just created and wherever else that template row is. So you'll notice back over here that this entire row is pretty much grayed out. So you can't really make edits on this page, but you can make edits back in the template area. So that is how you create a template using Templatera, and that is also how you create a duplicate of any of the pages or posts on your website using the duplicate post plugin. So I highly recommend you install both of those plugins. It's going to make your development much quicker and much easier when you're able to reuse some of the rows and pages that you've already previously created. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help.